Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to do a get ready with me Valentine's Day edition. If you want to see how I created this look, please continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you. LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Cool Tan to set my eyes. And I'm just gonna buff it out with this brush. And I'm not really wiping, I'm dabbing, because you don't want to lose all of your product. Okay, I'm just blending it up into my brow bone to make sure that I have an even base for when I apply my eyeshadow. Okay, I know I look crazy, but that's what you gotta look like when you want to turn into a bad bitch. And I'm gonna go right in with this hot pink color. I'm just gonna pat this right in my crease. And I didn't use setting powder on my eye because this is a colorful look, so I want the colors to stick. And I'm just gonna pack it in like that. Look at that pink. Oh, I look crazy, but gonna be a bad bitch real soon. Just wait on it. Tap that out a little bit, and I'm gonna blend it all the way down to my eyelid and just blend it up some. I really want that color to be like boom, boom. This is a Valentine's Day look, so I'm like, damn, babe. Okay, now I'm going to go in my Morphe palette. It's a little messed up. Had it for a while. I'm going to go in with this pink right here. Still look a little crazy. I'm coming into form. So I have not posted a video in a long time. I just graduated from FAMU, so that was in December. I've just been working. I've been working like every day. Been working doubles. And I'm trying to find a better job. And I'm thinking like, oh, I got my bachelor's, I'm gonna be able to find a job like that. But they like, bachelor's what? Bachelor's who? I'm not caring about that. I'm just gonna mix both hot pinks. I'm gonna go in my crease again. I'm gonna go in with this pink, and I'm gonna mix it with the Watch Me blush. I messed this palette up. Strawberry cream. So I'm gonna mix strawberry cream and faint. Strawberry cream. Ugh. Strawberry cream and faint. I'm gonna put it in my corner. I might be a little extra and put some glitter in there too, cause I gotta be extra. Gonna go in with faint. Look at that. My eye glue. I know you lying. Oh, bingo. We got action. I'm gonna be using Maybelline Eye Studio Blackest Black Gel Eyeliner. Okay, now it's coming together. I keep doing this talking. So I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit more. Because your blend is important. Damn, look at that. Okay, now I'm gonna put my lashes on so y'all can really feel me. Valentine's Day. Well, I don't even have to be the present because my friends that's single, they talking about they going out drinking and they going on speed dating. I'm like, I never had speed dating. It sounds fun and they gonna have drinks. I'm like, damn. I wish I was single, but that'd be fun. Valentine's Day, if you're in a relationship, can be a little stressful because it's like, what do you get a guy for Valentine's Day? Like cologne, a watch, maybe. But that's like basic stuff. Can't really go out. Well, you can, but it's like, can't really go all out because it's a guy, so you don't want to make his Valentine's gift too feminine. But then you want him to feel like you put your thought into it. Maybe like a watch, some jewelry. But I'm balling on the budget, so I don't know. Oh, talk to me nice. These is the lashes y'all need for Valentine's Day because this is it. Valentine's Day ideas. I'm gonna have to go on Pinterest. Y'all need to comment some gift ideas below. And let me put my phone. foundation on, and I'm gonna go with Fit Me 340. That's my color, bitch, for right now. I'm gonna pick up that. Now I'm gonna go in with my age resistant. Boom, I just got this today, but you're hearing a lot of people talk about it, so I got the color Gordon Door. Name was 145 or something. I need to keep that. And yes, this is my real hair. For you hating assholes in the back. I'm just kidding. My Airspun setting powder in the color Translucent. True Complex color palette to these cheekbones, cause I'm not telling y'all be skipping the gyms, so just gonna help y'all out. We're gonna go in with the one that say Conceal, and it's gonna real quick. My forehead kind of big, so gotta make it do what it do, and I'm just gonna go around here. Palette, I'm gonna go with the Sculpt just a little bit. I'm gonna use the pink from the Morphe 35 palette. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Watch Me Blush palette. I'm gonna mix strawberry cream and berries. Look at that. That nigga don't think he funny. He ain't. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, guys.